Study confirms humans share 99.9% of DNA, but small differences explain big diversity in a world of over 8 billion people. Each person appears unique, yet new research continues to confirm that the vast majority of human DNA is remarkably similar. According to geneticists, all humans share approximately 99.9% of their DNA, with just 0.1% accounting for the entire spectrum of physical and biological diversity across the globe. A tiny difference with a big impact. That 0.1% of variation, roughly 3 million DNA base pairs, helps explain the wide range of human traits, from skin tone and facial features to disease resistance and environmental adaptation. The genetic differences between any two people on Earth are surprisingly small, said Dr. Alicia Gomez, a molecular biologist at the Human Genome Institute. But that small fraction holds the key to understanding human health, history, and evolution. More differences within populations than between. One of the most striking findings is that the majority of genetic diversity, about 85 to 90%, is found within individual populations, not between them. This challenges common misconceptions about race and ethnicity being rooted in clear genetic separations. To people from the same village in Kenya or China could be more genetically different from each other than one of them is from someone in Europe, said Dr. Gomez. Regional adaptations highlight evolution at work. Though broad categories like race lack a strong genetic basis, specific adaptations have evolved in certain regions in response to climate, diet, or altitude. East Asians often carry genes for thicker hair and shovel-shaped teeth. Tibetans have a unique gene EPAs, one that helps them survive at high altitudes with low oxygen. Northern Europeans are more likely to have genes for lactose tolerance and lighter skin, adapted to low sunlight environments. Sub-Saharan Africans show the highest genetic diversity on Earth, and some carry the sickle cell trait, a natural protection against malaria. No human subspecies. Despite visible differences, scientists emphasize that all humans belong to a single species, Homo sapiens. There is no biological basis for dividing humans into subspecies or races based on DNA alone. Race is a social and cultural concept, not a genetic one, said Dr. Gomez. The science clearly shows we're far more alike than we are different. Looking ahead as genetic research continues, experts hope these findings will help combat stereotypes and reduce racial bias by highlighting our shared origins. At the same time, studying the tiny DNA variations that do exist is helping scientists develop targeted treatments for diseases and understand human migration over tens of thousands of years. Bottom line, we may look different on the outside, but at the DNA level, humanity is overwhelmingly united. And that 0.1%, it's just enough to make each of us wonderfully unique.